In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel your Smartsheet account. Before we start, keep in mind that canceling your account is a permanent action for that subscription. You'll lose access to your paid features, so if there's anything important you want to keep, make sure you've exported or backed up your sheets and reports first. To begin, open your web browser and go to the Smartsheet homepage. You can do this by typing the Smartsheet address into your browser's address bar and signing in with your usual login details. Once you're logged in, you should land on the home area of your Smartsheet account, where you normally see your recent sheets and workspaces. Now, look toward the upper part of the screen for your account or profile controls. Depending on your setup, this is usually represented by your profile picture, initials, or a small menu icon. Click on that highlighted area to open your account menu. This is where Smartsheet keeps all of your personal and subscription settings. From the menu that appears, you'll want to find and click on the option labeled Plan and Billing Info, or something very similar. This section is specifically for managing your subscription, payment details, and account status. When you click it, Smartsheet will take you to a dedicated billing page. On the Plan and Billing page, take a moment to review what you see, your current plan, renewal date, and any other billing information. When you're ready to proceed, look for the option that says Cancel Account. It might be a button or a link, usually placed near your plan details. Click on Cancel Account to start the cancellation process. Smartsheet will then show you a confirmation screen, and here you'll see a button labeled Deactivate Account. This is the action that actually cancels your subscription. Click on Deactivate Account. At this stage, you may see some highlighted fields or options, such as a confirmation checkbox or a quick feedback question about why you're canceling. Click on the highlighted area as needed to confirm that you understand your account will be deactivated. Next, a pop-up window will appear asking you to confirm your choice. Click OK to continue. Smartsheet is just making sure this isn't an accidental click, so only proceed if you're certain you want to cancel. Finally, you may see one more confirmation message, again with an OK button. Click OK once more. After this, your cancellation is complete, and your Smartsheet account will be deactivated according to their policies and any remaining billing terms.